Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing this very special letter L, which is used in a variety of places. For example, for the word love that we commonly use, and a variety of other places like here in names and other places. So kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this content, comment and share, and let's hop into making this beautiful letter L. So you need to have your size 10 seed beads and 0.30 millimeters fishing line. Those are the materials required. Then we begin basically by picking two red beads, one on either side, and then you finish with one white bead on the right, one white bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. So our letter L is going to be in the color white, and then the red will be for the outline. Okay, so whatever colors that you'll be using, your color combination, I think that's key for you to remember. So we proceed. We're going to pick a white bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then a final white bead on the right, and then we crisscross on the white bead, like that. So if you're new to beading, crisscrossing is basically passing the fishing line from the other side through the bead to have something that looks like this. And also you're supposed to make sure that every step that we take, you are at par, or you're not left behind. So the next thing, we've picked two white beads on the right and one red bead on the left, and then we've crisscrossed on the final white bead from the right to have something like that. Okay, so I hope that's clear. And this letters are very important because this can help you make custom bracelets for your clients with their lettering for their names. So you proceed as you seeing on the screen, like that. So we've picked two white beads on the right and one red bead on the left and crisscrossed on the final white bead from the right, and you should have something like that. So next you pick a white bead on the right and two red beads from the left, like that, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right, and then you pull. By doing so, you have made a corner, as you can see there, because we have gotten to our maximum width, which is 5 heads. We want our standard bracelets to have the 5 heads. Okay, so that's our letter maximum height. Okay, so now we proceed, and we're going to pick one white bead on the right and two red beads on the left. Okay, and then crisscross on the white bead from the right, like that, and then you pull. Okay, so now this will be the top of the letter L. Okay, the lower bit that has got the longer end is going to be at the bottom. Okay, so we proceed. You pass the fishing line through the next white bead, like that. Then you pick a red bead from the left, one red bead and one white bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. So you just proceed like that. Remember guys, these are very important skills. These are skills that can help you earn some extra money. Even if you're doing this just as a hobby, you can even sell it to your friends, sell to your family, or even clients, and get some extra income. So if you take these skills seriously, I've seen some of you who have done so and have been able to monetize this skill. So I'm doing this tutorials so that it could also help you guys make some extra money. So you just proceed repeating the same thing. You pass the fishing line through the next bead there, and then you pick a red bead from the left and a white bead from the right, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the right. Okay, so then you pull. You should have something that looks like this. Okay, So we are almost done making our letter L, and you pass the fishing line through the white bead there, and then now you're going to pick a red bead on the right and a white bead on the left. Okay, and then you crisscross on the white bead from the left, and also by doing so we have done a corner. Okay, so that's how you're supposed to do your corners, and this is just the basic right angle weave. This tutorial is meant to help you perfect your lettering skills. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a red bead on the right, and one red bead, one white bead, and then you crisscross with the final red bead like that, and then you pass the fishing line through the red bead there. Make sure that your artwork, as you do your artwork, as you progress, you just make sure that each step that we take, that you are together with us, so that you can have the final result that you can see on the screen. So you just take it step by step, and I believe this video is not that fast, so you can be able to follow it even real time, and be able to get. So you can alternatively also just do one step, pause the video, do your step, and then you play the video, you go like that step by step. There's nothing that I've skipped here. I've just taken it slowly so that you can be able to see everything that is done to make this letter perfectly. Okay, so what I'm just doing here is just filling this with the red color so that you can be able to see the letter L clearly. And mostly after this, I just add one column so that we can have good spacing between the letters before you go to the next letter. Okay, so there you have it. That's our letter L. It's complete, and I really hope that you got this, and I really look forward to seeing your feedback. It's what gives me the strength to keep doing this tutorials for you guys. So don't forget to like this video if you watched till this point. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what other letter you'd like me to do on the next tutorial on letters. And as you can see, if you're using it for a name like this, you see it fits perfectly. That name has got a double L, so it has a variety of uses, and I really hope to see you guys on our next video. Thank you guys, and see you then.